Igbo man again taking a quamun. I say na Jpac is again. Some people na like it get something about it on. Jpac always look for a means to attack church. Jpac always look for a means. I got a video made yesterday or day before they were saying I am not in support of Jpac in the church in the Yoruba. I am not in support of it. Man, when I like a climb on narrative, we push, we actually push. Kitobe best one na maybe could be professor na mazen na ndekano ya pata from prison na gen kita ejele na mazen na ndekano kamjikenu no ja sonye logo law as onye ma ihe na Nigeria mazen na ndekano no be prison before. If you are not convicted, there's no way you can serve prison terms. The only thing I made they gonna obona convict you. Oboni no go awaiting trial for like 1 year. A sentence to like 3 years. I'm up to that 1 year no go in the nozia too. Now even the kind of got be prison before or got prison. Igbo Saga caught from detention. Igbo Saga caught from detention. So mother saying or prison. So you have to first of all sit down and understand it. So now get into Jpac one. Unu get chanting idea. Una noze hezu gosalia. That's number 2. That is the wins we chalk and arrange this video. Call the one.
I saw Mazin Namdekan walking out of prison. Our revelation this morning. And that revelation this morning it was happening like a vision or trance. In my vision,
I hereby sentence the convicts to life imprisonment for the said counts 1, 4.
Even we save one video of this prophecy of Igbo, Kamara, no true man of God. And they say we go in the video, and today, 20th of November, Black Friday, for Ndigbo, the lover of Ndigbo man atoto. Video akita they post today, prophecy of Igbo that he saw Nnamdi Kanu coming out from prison, and today 20th a sentence here Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment. We're going to pardon tomorrow. Here today video happening for example for those of you who still believe in the word of a prophet, for those of you who still believe in the word of your daddy G.O., for those of you who still believe in the word of your pastors, reverend and bishop. Today, it is clear that Christianity have failed. I mean, Christianity have failed. Every mouth is shut up. Mouth of a priest, shut up. Mouth of a so-called that the Jew prophet, shut up. Mouth of everything they represent the Christian, shut up. Mouth of leaders of Ndigbo, shut up. Mouth of senators, leaders, anything they lead in Ndigbo, shut up. It is clear that we don't have leaders. It is clear we don't have prophets. It is clear we don't have anybody leading in Ndigbo. Ndigbo on a pathway of going astray. Tomorrow, that your pastor will still prophesy to you again. You see America, see London, see Asia, bad flight, they get a prophecy. But the prophecy cannot be fulfilled. But tomorrow, they say the able of Charafancha, or Charahancha, or Charafancha, and beginning, prophets indeed. Thank you, Ebukobi, for your prophecy. You see Nnamdi Kanu coming out in prison. Today, 20th, he's saying you that prophecy. If you go to any, Nnamdi Kanu wejebe. Hope. Christians, Christianity, and pastors and reverend and bishop. Etiego masses na hope to the extent that masses too much believe in pastors, priests, reverend. Till today, hope nine members who Ununa Wuhanana from A to Z. Today, your prophecy, as of years ago, the other time, somebody said Peter Obi will win, and when I check it out, we go to God. I get me here. Peter Obi later lose election. Every prophecy needed now, pastor, priest, reverend, all lies. It is clear. Nifu no beginning, pulpit bandits. Cancel for video attack.
If I will reply to Jpac, na church, yeah. Basari evangelist Ebukobi, na judgment enyewu mazin na ndekano. A lot of people may grieve over the judgment. Or come with time. Ekabona name judgment ya we shock or do mischievous. Ojo osho kwa ko gosi onwe nya ko gosi ko ifaro ojo we Jpac. Maka nke na da do wishe. Anyway, I don't have anything much to talk. You want to go? There was more than I carry, but this is the only reply for him. Look at it here again to your former
my brother, let me explain to you. Let me break it down for you. There is one evangelist in Lagos now. They call him Ebukobi.
Yes.
Yes, I've heard of him.
You know him?
Yes.
There is one place he built psychiatric
Psychiatric.
Yes. This is one of the members there.
Jpac.
He ran out of the psychiatric hospital.
Also called Buffy.
They will definitely catch him now. You catch this one. No, don't be offensive. Yes. I ran out of psychiatric hospital. But he is the first patient in that psychiatric hospital. So two of us, we ran out.
Nke a onye na ndị otu ihe ndị na-akọ fụsịrị mma ya ọdago ndị ọ na-akọlụ na ndị na-akọlụ na ndị kwetara ya ha na ha agbagha ha na-abụ ke ndị gbapụrụ na ndị mere ife
Listen,
ife a kịta bụ onye isi dị mma chọọ ka o putu etu Jpac kịta onye isi dị mma o nwere onye isi dị mma between Jpac na ndị ọ na-akọrọ ife a nwee taịm onye na ha na-ekwu na Ebukobi kwuru ife a ịghọtago o nweziri ofu onye isi dị mma n'ebe a na anya ka ife onye anyị isi dị mma gwa Jpac.
You were in a psychiatric hospital.
Yes.
Why are you out here?
Why are you out here?
In there so they can take care of
You're
you.
supposed to be there so they can take care of you. So this is the only reply you know for him. Already evangelist Ebukobi no psychiatric hospital na Ngopala na Umeri na Gleri. Jpac happens to be one of the patients nearby. So why he ran away outside there when he's supposed to be there receiving treatment? So the truth is that ma Jpac yo mando to any ndenya na yana kongedi feni na nwanne agogo munu na news a ishora ya yenye attention unu kuericha pia eyotalo okayo etu a. So you people should go back to agree ebu nu deserve leno ke nu better treatment eyotago ke nu better treatment okari etu a. Look at okay, Jpac ikwuru na ọta attack confirm ikwuru na ọta attack confirm na ọta attack confirm na ekpere ahalụ ọlụ na ọta attack confirm na onwe pastor na afọ ụzọ na Nigeria na ọta attack confirm mana ifrokwa ndị pastors niile ndị niile na-ekpere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ekpere ifrokwa ha you choose to pick on evangelist Ebukobi. If you Fada Mbaka declare ekpere na adoration ground maka freedom Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mbosi ekpere na Chineke ekpegarigo ikpe ekpelu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. If you just want to be mischievous because you want to use this opportunity to pick on evangelist Ebukobi, you just want to mischievous to be because it is always your way. It is always your way. The greatest answer is that you either get back to Agulere Ebisi we may escape, or you leave the rest of us believe on the anointing. There is nothing you can do. Ka Zion ministry, you move to that permanent site. You want to go? Only fige mecha ipeka liepeka. You suppose the man ipeka. Ke na agosise wono ke ijoso mana agosise osumeri. You are not a peaceful man. You are not a peaceful man. Because you will get like a budodo. You are not a peaceful man. Sometimes I wonder the kind of havoc here they reap no one busy. You are not a peaceful man. Who go on if you na chow, if you yaw a wapoye, coffee. If you na chow, if you yaw a wapoye, coffee. When you fall, if you na chow, if you yaw a wapoye, culture, God knows the best. You got to go. God knows the best. Yes. Okari hetua. So Chideke ma reason batalo if you and the way feel about it. And you cannot even stop people from going to Zion and their millions. There is nothing, no single activities of Zion. You are never a Zionite. There has never been a time you a Zionite. So you have been lost and you are lost. You are there is you are found at all. So if you know who go, we are just talking you put Igaba, you want to go on a normal. I suppose you do come. I just want a perfect reply for you this morning. You want to go. I just want a perfect reply for you this morning. Decide I can tell you that reply. If not for anything, some of you go to Mundana tag Gasam, email a perfect reply for you. So get ready for open heaven this night. Jpac, Diana, open heaven this night. God, you locate in open heaven. We locate go so many people. So many people receive God their testimonies. And we go so many miracles recorded. Those we know. Yes, those who do verifiable that we know. So if I banaka you want to go, oh, you can no doubt have about that conviction. So share this video. Share this video. Share this video.